Everybody, welcome back. Today I've got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix messenger group chat problems. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So it depends on what kind of problem you're having. So let's say when you go to your messenger app right over here, and let's say you have a particular group but you're not being able to send message or receive anything. First thing, you might have been removed from the group itself. If you have been removed from the group, you cannot do any activities in that. So accept that if you're having problems, the first thing you can check is your internet connection. If your connection is not good and switching on and off in between the conversation, then that could cause the problem. Apart from that, you can go ahead and simply refresh your app or simply go ahead re-log in as well. Go to menu and go ahead, tap on your account and tap on log out at the bottom, or switch to any other profile and get re-logged in, and that should also help you out. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.